Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Enny. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 5 simple ways that you can start to make money online. Let's go. So for these videos, there are like 3 classes of people. The first class is you have absolutely zero in your bank account and you cannot afford to spend any money, but you still want to make money. I'll show you what you can do. The second set of people are the people that, okay, you have little funds, like at least you have like 100,000 to 500,000 in your account, right? So you can afford to spend some money, but not so much money. Then there's the third set of people that you have like at least $1,500 in your account to like $3,000 in your account. You can afford to invest into some business and create, generate some money for yourself, right? So those are the 3 classes of people I'm going to be speaking to in this video. Now, I want you to assume that, okay, you do not even have any money. The first thing that we should start thinking about is, how do I create content that people are going to consume, and those people, when they consume it, how do I get paid for it, right? There are 2 ways. Number one is either you join the YouTube AdSense program, or number 2, you join the TikTok creator program. Now, you can also these days join Facebook, because Facebook also has a creativity program as well. But the easiest ones to get is YouTube. So I suggest you create a YouTube channel, right? And start creating content and get paid via AdSense. That's like the simplest thing you can do. For you to create videos, you're going to need 2 things. It's either number 1, you're going to need video editing software. Number 2, you're going to need an image editing software for your thumbnail. Number 2, now this one is for those people who, you have some money in your account, like 100,000 naira to 500,000 naira. Basically, let's say $100 to $500 in your account, right? All you need to do is go and sign up for affiliate programs, right? An affiliate program is simply you being the middleman between a product or a service, right? A product or a service and the customer, right? So you're going to be the middleman between the customer and the product or service. Now, there are various types of affiliate marketing products, from digital products to physical products down to landed properties and so much more, right? But the cue that I will give you, or the tip I will give you, is if you're going into affiliate marketing, the best thing to start with is digital products, because you can easily sell that online, right? And they are cheaper and easier for people to afford. All you have to do is make sure you build your audience and your following, using advertising and basically posting in various channels such as your TikTok page and all of that. Third way for you to have your own digital income stream, you're going to need some money to invest. So if you know that you are earning at least from $1,000 to about $5,000 that you have in your bank account to invest and create money, then you can go for this one. Now, this one is all about drop shipping, and I tell you this because I've seen the power of drop shipping and I've seen how it works, and it does work really good. But you need to know the right products to sell, you need to know the right audience, you need to understand how to run advertisements, right? And you also need to know how to distribute your goods, right? The shipping and drop shipping and all of that. You really need to learn the dynamics behind it, and then you just jump into it and start. Now, you might fail your first try, but the point is, don't give up on drop shipping. Drop shipping does work, it does exist, it does work, and a lot of people are still making money on it. Like like even right now, a lot of people are still making money on drop shipping right now. So that being said, let's go to the next. Now, the fourth way for you to get a digital income stream is quite simple but not so easy. So this is what I mean. If you are into the world of trading cryptocurrencies or trading forex, you already know it's easy to set your stop loss and it's easy to take your TP and all of that. But what it is it's not easy for you to read the charts, for you to understand the chart patterns and what is going on, for you to know if it's a head and shoulder pattern or if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. All of that stuff, right, is trading, right? Trading cryptocurrencies, trading forex. Now, you cannot do this if you do not have money, right? So my suggestion is, if you have about 10,000 to 50,000, or let's say $20,000 in your account, $10,000 to $20,000 in account, you're looking to get that coming in. You need a digital income stream, right, to get more money coming in. Then you can look into trading. Most of all, you can look into trading with bots. Right now, I've used different bots. I've used the GU bot. I've also used the Manara bots. Right, Manara bots, it gives you trade ideas, sends it to your Telegram, all of that stuff. Tried it out. Right, out of all of them, I think it's good to use all the bots you can get your hands on, honestly, because when you use it, you find out, that okay, you have to use different bots for different things. Right, there are bots for crypto as well. So all you have to do really is find a way to jump into trading, but you're going to need at least $10,000 to $20,000 for you to do this successfully. Right, and not come and hold me that, hey, this boy, you told me whatever. But yeah, number 5, I think this one is quite simple. Everybody knows or has heard or knows someone that has invested into landed property and made a lot of money. Get into real estate. Now, the easiest way for you to get into real estate in this digital economy is by getting a property. You need to have at least $100,000 to $200,000. Right? If you have at least $100,000 to $200,000, then you can implement what I'm about to share with you. Now, all you have to do is take about your $100,000. Out of that $100,000, take about $80,000. Purchase a house. Right? You want to buy a clean house located in a neat environment close to the airport. Now, the reason why you have to buy this type of house is because you want to turn this particular house into an Airbnb outlet, right, that you can rent out to people, for a week or a few days or whatnot. Why it is close to the airport is because when people, get down from the airport, a lot of people now start thinking, oh, wow, I need, a place to stay, right? And if your own place is close to the airport, they are more likely to go and see what you have going on, right? So yes, the Airbnb model is actually still working till today. And if you want to get into real estate digitally, then think about the digital income hack for the real estate, side of things. All right, guys. So I believe that brings us to the end of this video. I will see you in another video in the future where I will tell you more about the digital income streams that you can create for yourself in 2024. Until next time, my name is Enny. Have a nice day. Remember to like, share this video to your friends if you found it helpful, and follow me. Thank you. Bye bye.